Welcome to another video on salsa dancing concepts. When you dance salsa, is it like you're having a conversation with your partner, or is it more like a monologue? We'll get to that soon, but first, please hit subscribe below and ring that bell so you can receive updates on all of the latest videos from Salsa Goals. Now, how can salsa dancing be like a conversation? Well, think about an actual conversation. We converse with others by using words that form sentences. Then, the person that we are talking to listens to what we say and responds back. We then respond, and this interaction continues. In the same way, salsa dancing is like a non-verbal conversation between two people. The moves are like words. So when a salsa dancer says something by leading or requesting a move, the follower can choose to respond with a complementary move. In this way, a salsa dance can be like a non-verbal conversation where both dancers collaborate with each other as partners by using signals and body language, instead of a monologue where the leader controls every aspect of the dance and the partner just follows like a puppet without contributing much of anything. Yes, salsa dancing is like a non-verbal conversation, and both partners can work together to create that conversation on the dance floor. But what is perhaps the most important requirement for a good conversation, and how can it determine the way we dance? Stay tuned for the next video to find out.